The attorneys for former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr were back in court today as they finalized a date and time for the next step in the state's case against him.
13 on your side's Keely Lovern was in court and explains what happened today and what happens next.
Dude, I'm stopping you.
Christopher Schurr is charged with second-degree murder in the shooting death of Patrick Lyoya last April.
State of Michigan versus Christopher Schurr.
Friday, both Schurr's team of lawyers and Kent County prosecutor Chris Becker were in the courtroom for a status conference. The meeting was short, but what came of it was a finalized date for Schurr's preliminary examination.
It's in order to flush it out, to make sure that if somebody is charged with something, that they shouldn't be charged with that thing. And it's a very, very important right for a defendant. It's an important right to protect.
Schurr was not present in court Friday, and some in the courtroom confronted Chris Becker as to why.
Why doesn't Schurr have to appear to his court dates like everyone else?
Typically, defendants are required to appear at court whenever their attorney has to appear at court. But sometimes if it's a brief meeting, if there's nothing substantive that is going to take place with the judge's permission, then the defendant does not need to appear at court. And that's not so unusual either.
And it sounds like things are on the right track.
The case will resume on October 27th in the 61st District Court. It will also be streamed live on YouTube.
I know that people were complaining about the fact that, this is taking a long time. It's a murder case. It's not taking that long of a time. These are due process rights, and these are rights that should be respected and are being respected. And you want to get it right the first time, if you can. And so if it takes a little bit of time on this end, then you give it that.
Thank you all. We'll see everybody back on the 27th at 8:30.
Reporting in Grand Rapids, Keely Lovern, 13 on your side.